Hi everyone, this is Rajiv Makni. I'm very happy to be back. I know बहुत मुश्किल period है for all of us, including of course for all of you. All of us have gone through major losses. I think कोई भी family जो है untouched नहीं है with what COVID has done. You've lost family members, friends, colleagues, parents. बहुत losses हुए हैं. It's been a terrible time for all of us. But I think it's also time now for us to start normalizing our life a little. आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे ट्विटर पे, यूट्यूब पे, अदर सोशल मीडिया पे you've sent beautiful messages to me and a lot of you have asked that why am I not coming back with my videos. काफ़ी मुश्किल था at one time for me to even wrap my head around doing all of this again. But I think every one of you was very very right. ज़रूरी है for me also to come back and bring you things. So this is what we're going to do for the next few days. I'll try and bring you काफ़ी technology and other चीज़ों के ऊपर. I'll try and do videos that are very very important right now, but only about devices that are actually great, devices that are doing something a little bit different, trying to do something जो कि बाकी devices नहीं कर रहे हैं, and of course things that you're asking for. And this is one of the most in demand devices और वो है Oppo का A53s. अब काफ़ी चीज़ें इसमें इंटरेस्टिंग हैं. अंडर 15,000 रुपीज़, 5G 6GB RAM, बहुत अच्छा प्रोसेसर है इसमें. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव आस्क्ड दैट शुड आई बाय दिस और द Realme 8. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी है. आइए शुरू करते हैं. और ये चीज़ें that I've already said many times before. देखिए, if you want to be ahead in the race of technology, तो आपको यहाँ तो होना पड़ेगा फर्स्ट टू अ फीचर, जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी है, या आपको अंडरकट करना पड़ेगा एंड गेट दैट फीचर आउट एट अ प्राइस पॉइंट नो वन एल्स कैन. और ये है Oppo that is actually doing both. तो इन दिस वीडियो, जैसे मैंने शुरू में कहा, I'm going to take a look at the A53s 5G by Oppo and everything else around it at this price point. USP of the device जो है ना, वो नाम में ही ऑलरेडी है. I mean, name and when you factor in the price. Oppo A53s 5G starts off under 15,000 rupees, 14,990, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage variant. That makes it India's most affordable 5G ready phone. Sorry Realme and others, अब Oppo जो है आगे निकल गया है. Plus last I checked, बहुत सारे offers भी थे इसके, Flipkart, HDFC and others, and that's why a lot of you have asked, is this the phone to actually go for? एक 8GB RAM variant भी है with the same 128GB, लेकिन 2,000 रुपए ज़्यादा है उसकी प्राइस, but still a very very good bargain. Now you can put in another memory card to enhance storage also, plus इसमें 3.5mm का headphone jack भी है. But जो highlight of the phone है ना, is the chipset at this price point. 7nm process based MTK यानी कि MediaTek का Dimensity 700. Well, same है जैसे आपने बहुत लोग पूछा है Realme 8 5G में, but that's priced higher and with lower RAM. पर जैसे हम लोग ने देखा है उस फोन में भी, ये जो chipset है, it offers very very serious performance, उसके साथ very good battery optimization, और बहुत ही enjoyable है इसकी जो gaming performance है, multitasking है. To be fairly honest, in context to कि ये phones की जो prices हैं और जो performance है, this one doesn't overheat at all even when I have pushed it. So that in itself is a very very good sign. अब देखिए, standard 6GB जो है in the base phone is also a very awesome thing to have. और let's start off with the looks. Good looking phone, typical Oppo के aesthetics हैं, very clean, very sleek, very sophisticated looking. कोई over the top design नहीं है इसमें, like a lot of other brands have started doing. ये जो large rectangular shaped उन्होंने कैमरा बम्प दिया है, पीछे एक gradient है, then you come to the front, 6.52 इंच की स्क्रीन है, LCD है. Now screen is only HD plus यानी कि 1600 by 720 pixels, लेकिन nice bright screen, good saturation, good color, works very well outside in bright sunlight also. और उसमें बहुत सारे features हैं like all day, AI, eye comfort. Now let's take it around. And coming to the camera output. Now, okay output, good results, but nothing that will shake things up. But I wasn't expecting it. कोई optics powerhouse आपको नहीं मिल रहा. 13 मेगापिक्सल का मेन कैमरा है, 2 मेगापिक्सल का डेप्थ कैमरा है, 2 मेगापिक्सल का मैक्रो कैमरा है. हमारे जो रिजल्ट्स थे, they were okay to good. Now there's a plethora of features ranging from ultra night mode है, इसमें AI optimization है that can recognize and optimize many scenes, और इसमें जो सामने उन्होंने दिया है 8 मेगापिक्सल का सेल्फी कैमरा, that also has some good tricks, can help you take some very nice ultra night selfies also. इसमें जो operating system है ColorOS 11 that keeps getting tidier, and over the years उन्होंने जो है they've come to a place where a lot of the features जो पहले ठीक ठाक थे, they have become very good, very useful. जैसे कि कस्टमाइजेशन फॉर एग्जांपल, जो एनिमेशंस हैं, जो एम्बेडेड सिक्योरिटी फीचर्स हैं, फ्लेक्स ड्रॉप है फॉर बेटर मल्टीटास्किंग, स्मार्ट सिस्टम बूस्टर है दैट कीप्स गेटिंग better and better and is bettering the performance of the phone as you keep using it over time and learn karta hai how to actually make it better. So all very very good. Good news on the battery front as well. 5000 mAh की battery है, easily runs you into the second day and is one of the more enjoyable things about the phone. So you have performance, you have battery life, sleek design, very good in-hand feel, and like I said, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack also. Oppo जो है was obviously aiming for some very very big things with this phone, जैसे कि they wanted to be the most affordable 5G phone with 6GB of RAM. ये है, बिल्कुल है. उनको चाहिए था nice, clean, very sleek looking phone with 5G, वो भी है ये. MTK का Dimensity 700 chipset at this price point, literally बाकियों को it blows it away. Realme 8 इसका competition नहीं है. तो इसका मतलब है जब 5G आएगा, this phone is ready for it. Plus इसमें smart antenna switch है, which lets you actually switch between 4G and 5G bands. It's an LTE antenna based on which signal is the strongest available. इसमें link boost भी है, which means कि आप जो है 5G signal और Wi-Fi both can run at the same time. यानी कि आपको compromise नहीं करना कि कौन सा network की speed क्या है. And based on the number of apps open, you can pretty much do anything you like. जैसे मैंने कहा, phone starts at 14,999 for the base variant, and of course multiple offers हैं इसमें that has reduced the price down quite a bit. So I'm glad to see phones coming out in this under 15,000 price bracket that actually deliver big on performance, good looks, battery, and even 5G now. So I hope that answers all your questions. जिन लोगों ने पूछा है should I buy this phone, Realme 8 लें कि ये वाला ले, क्या है इसमें that is far more important, what are the most important parts of it. Now, of course, the most important thing is please stay safe, be intelligent, protect all and help all. That's the mantra to win this war against COVID.